What is good, guys? It's your main man, James, and today we are talking about CPA marketing. I want to show you a really nice and easy, very simple way to do CPA marketing that you probably haven't really thought about before. Okay, so even if you don't do CPA marketing or you want to get into CPA marketing, I want to show you an amazing method. So here we are in OfferWorld, which is kind of a directory that lists all kinds of CPA marketing offers. And you have a bunch of filters here. You have your network, you have your categories, you have your countries, okay? And so do not really pay too much attention to it. It's a lot easier just to browse the offers like that, but sometimes it's very helpful. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. And so for this kind of method, I know exactly what kind of niche I want to promote. Okay, sometimes you don't know the niche, so you end up basically browsing around. That's fine. But sometimes you know exactly the niche and you want to find the offers. And the niche we're going to be talking about today is VPN. So if I type VPN, I have a lot of offers, right? There's a lot of VPN offers. And VPN is a legit niche. It's an actual niche that people use. It's not, something that's kind of pie in the sky, random kind of offer that you can't really touch. It's not really tangible. This is a real offer. And what exactly is VPN? Let me tell you exactly what VPN is. So if you Google for VPN, you're going to see this result from Wikipedia. VPN is a virtual private network, extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks. So essentially, in layman's terms, if I go into a Starbucks, if I go into a coffee shop, my connection, if I'm here, right, this is kind of me, and I'm connecting to some kind of server, maybe my bank, I am going through a public network, so like Starbucks network. What a VPN allows me to do, it allows me to encrypt all the traffic, because instead of me going through a public network, I am going through a VPN network that in turn connects to the network for me. So it's kind of this middleman that encrypts all the data that I sent and receive from the end site. So that is why it's very powerful. And guys can kind of read more about it. And honestly, a VPN has lots of different uses. One of the uses that I just talked about now, which is privacy security. But another use is that you can change your location. So for instance, let's say you go to any of these sites here. NordVPN is a very kind of big, well-known network. If you open this page up, right, you have all of this secure, but you can also connect to a server. So if you click on servers, you can connect to one server there that allows you to mimic your location. So there's the server list, and I can pick, let's say, although I'm in Brazil, or I can pick, although I'm in Japan or in Australia, this and this. I can test different things, but I can also use services like Netflix or any of the other similar streaming services that have content that's based on a country by country basis. So if I want to see a show that's only available to viewers in, I don't know, in the UK, I can do that. In Canada, I can do that. In the US, I can do it. So there's lots of uses to VPN. And as you can see, they have over 5,000 servers in 60 countries worldwide, right? You can pick a recommended, you can, select activity, secure my connection. I can say, okay, let's say United States, and it could find a server for me, right? It can actually find a good server for me. Like, there's all these great things that it can do. How do you promote these kind of VPN services? Okay, well, now if you go to Max Bounty, what's really nice about it is that you can type VPN here, but you can also go into Max Bounty. Let's say you're working with Max Bounty. If you go to OfferWorld and you type VPN, you can pick Max Bounty here, and you can see, look at this payout: $48, $40, $38. 34, 20, 2, but you can ignore these. These are just per sign up. This is actually per sale. Then you have a revenue share, 60%, 80%, 80%. Pretty good in my book. These are fairly good, right? Wouldn't it be nice to get this kind of payout every time you send them a sale? Instead of getting, $1, $2 for surveys or sweeps or anything like that. This is a lot better. Now, how do you promote it? Well, one of the classical ways of promoting it is creating a page that looks something like this: top 10 VPN providers. Okay, and so you can create a page. Here's one of the pages here. So here's a page here: top 10 VPN providers, NordVPN, Surfshark, €5 VPN. So they basically have a list of VPNs. So these are all going to be affiliate links. So if I go visit NordVPN, this is going to send me via an affiliate link. Obviously, they're not going to be direct linking because they want, also to make some money, obviously, right? They're not doing this for free. They're not doing this as a community service. They want to be paid as well. So this is one way of doing it. But honestly, this is a very, very long way of doing it. There's a lot better ways of doing it, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. And so if you go to riddle.com, this is an online quiz maker, create a quiz, collect leads, engage your audience. You can try now for free. That is exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to actually log into my account because I already have an account, but you can click on try now for free. So I'm going to log in here. I'm going to go into my account. And so here I'm logged in into riddle.com, and I can create a very, very interesting engagement. So we can create personality tests, we can have a score, responses, journeys, stories, forms. Now in this particular method, I will be creating a quiz. So I'm going to hit quiz. And so if we click on quiz here, we have a lot of these templates here. And what we want to do is we want to pick this one. You can actually preview it. Are you really cyber secure? The online world can be a scary place. Answer these 7 questions. Find out if you know how to stay safe online. So we can do start. What is the most secure password from these examples, right? You can do all this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We're going to hit this plus button here. And we're going to create our own quiz from this template. So take a look at this. There's all of these questions about staying secure. Look at this. SSL. Is it generally okay to use Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi for sensitive stuff? And they even have these things. They even have a kind of an outcome. Two possible outcomes. If your score is between 0% and 73%, you're high risk and you're going to see something different. Nice work, you're low risk, right? And what we can do on these outcomes is that you can just click on this here and we have a button text. Save 25% on our basic cybersecurity course. And you can say, get 50% off on Best VPN. And this is going to be your Max Bounty link, right? So I'm just going to put maxbounty.com. This is your affiliate link, right? And you can do the same thing here. We don't need to just have that offer on one of these outcomes. We can do for both of them, right? We can do something like this. You can do something like this. And now you have a quiz that is actually valuable to people, right? You can hit publish. So once you're done, let me show you from the beginning. So all of this is obviously customizable, right? Everything that you see on this quiz is absolutely customizable. You can customize this image. You can customize the text, the URL, everything, right? You can customize the questions. You can customize points that you're getting, right? All of these things because you're getting various points. And that is why this is tracking how many points you're getting. This is the score distribution, right? And so you can customize all of that. And obviously it's going to be collecting emails if you want. You can customize the general look and feel of this quiz, kind of the style, the dark, light. You can make it light if you want. You can do that. You can have monochrome if you want. You can do so many interesting things, right? Branding, quiz options, etc., etc. And when you're done, you just go into publish and hit publish. Okay, that's essentially saves it. And then you can go into analyze. And I'm going to show you that in a second. But when you hit publish, you have your link to the quiz. So if you open it up, this is the quiz. So I can do start. I can go through these questions. It says wrong. I'm going to go next. Let's say wrong. This is kind of, it's very interactive. It's very nice, right? All of the above probably. This is secure, correct. So I'm just going to do it really, really quick. I'm probably going to get a lot of questions wrong. I just want to show you an example. I'm going to do that. There we go. That's the last question. Now it's telling us. Now we have this email form. We're going to be collecting emails. We're going to skip this and continue. And then it says, oh, you're high risk. Get 50% off of the best VPN. If you click on that, that redirects to Max Bounty. Okay, here's the Max Bounty link. Obviously, that's going to be your affiliate link. And you can list it as a link. You can embed it. You can have a WordPress plugin, Wix, Squarespace. All of these share. You can share them on these social platforms here. You can go into extras. And you can do a lot of interesting things. You have a Facebook pixel, so many things that you can do. And obviously, you can analyze it. So as you can see, I have one view, which is me, one start, and one completion. It took me 44 seconds. But I did not submit my email, which is why the lead is not here. And I did not share it. That's why that's 0. But you're getting a lot of interesting statistics as well. You can analyze. You have a breakdown. I got 1 out of 7, which is a pretty terrible score. I guess I definitely need to sign up with a VPN provider, it looks like. And there's so many things you can do. But what the best part of it all is that you're creating value. You are actually educating people. And the way you want to promote it is you want to go out and you want to promote it on the internet to newbies, to people just starting out. You never want to talk about VPN. You just want to say, hey, I found this great quiz that tests your knowledge of how secure you are when you are on the internet, and things that you should do, things that you should not do, things that you should avoid. That's really the power of this quiz. And like I said, you can modify it, you can do whatever you want. In this example, we are promoting VPN offers. I know some of you have been asking about that, but you can promote any offer that you want, provided that you change the quiz around. All right, guys, so that is all for me today. Just wanted to show you a brand new method of promoting CPA marketing offers. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this method. Smash the like on this video. Don't just hit like, just smash that like button for me, please. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys want to see next. I definitely look forward to your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.